I made this logo a while back for an urban missions organization called Beautiful Feet, who specialize in reaching out to young people on the street with the gospel of Jesus Christ. Young people who are into drugs, cultism, and all manner of gang activities. Beautiful Feet use rap music and streetwear fashion as a tool for evangelism, and they also host mission trainings while raising disciples. The anchor scripture on which Beautiful Feet ministry runs on is Romans 10:15, which says, "How beautiful are the feet of those who preach the gospel of peace and who bring glad tidings of good things." My name is Kankara Nomde Benjamin, the professional apprentice aka Pro App, and this is another logo breakdown. The original logo for Beautiful Feet ministry kinda looked beautiful, but based off the idea I sourced out from Romans 10:15, the feet of those that carry the gospel aren't necessarily beautiful, hence why I came up with this concept. The icon portrays a human feet, and when you look on the sole of the feet, there are a lot of cracks, meaning the people or those that carry the gospel of Jesus Christ have to cut through a lot of places, have to go through a lot of tough terrains to carry the gospel of peace to reach out to people. And they are not just welcome like that, they are spied on, they are discouraged, they are insulted. A lot of things happen to missionaries or those who evangelize and carry the gospel of peace to various terrains, and hence the reason why I came up with this idea that the soul of those that carry the gospel are cracked. And when you look at the toes, this idea or the concept is that of gemstones, that unrefined gemstones. That's how beautiful the feet are. So in the Beautiful Feet, the beauty there is in the toes. The gemstones are there. Sharp gemstones, which actually signifies beauty, royalty, and luxury. So that's just basically what the concept of the logo is about. The sole of the feet has cracks, signifying that those who carry the gospel have gone through serious or rough terrains, and they've gone through a lot from people that they even carry this gospel to. And on the toes of the feet, they have the gemstones, which signifies something that is beautiful, something that is precious. Yeah, that's how precious the gospel of Jesus is. And I use a clean sans serif font to portray boldness, to portray strength, and to portray how fierce the gospel of Jesus Christ is. Fierce not in the sense of intruding, but fierce in the efficacy of the word. Yeah, basically that's just the whole concept about the Beautiful Feet ministry logo. Just a quick logo breakdown video, and thank you for sticking by and watching till the end. Don't forget to put God first and create again. Peace, and I'm out. One.